Hi, this is Midhi Naveen Kommalapati. Today, I like to discuss about the reading assignment. I choose my topic as medical data science, and these are the authors for this particular paper. And coming to this paper, my point of views are: it's reading assignment 3, and these are the authors of this article. And coming to my knowledge based on this paper, the PCS methodology intends to conduct reasonable and trustworthy, repeatable, and accessible evaluation in the business, government, engineering, and social scientific domains. There are numerous concepts from PCS have been extensively applied in numerous fields of data science. Science heavily relies on prediction thanks to the pragmatic verifiability. Projections established all across the DSLC enable researchers to approximate reality, which may include physical, chemical, or biological laws using models like decision trees, neural works, or probability distributions. Suppositions that link these two worlds can be justified with assistance of the narratives supplied in the PCS instructions. Gather information based on past skills and resource available. Researchers implicitly presume that the data are applicable to future period when they utilize this data to inform judgments that will be made in the future. To put in other way, they presume that the circumstances around data collection remain stable, at least in relation to some characteristics of the data. Why results provided in the language of mathematics describe external reality, and to what degree can we accept mathematical statements to have an influence on these objective objects, are two fairly straightforward yet frequently disgraded questions. Questions of external validity, which characterize how well a conclusion will generalize to subsequent observations, are directly addressed by testing data collected under different circumstances from the training data. It is frequently crucial to comprehend how a model will function in scenarios different from ones that produced in the training data. Results are presented so accurate to the topic. The purpose of prediction is to access how accurately a model or algorithm captures the underlying natural events that produced the data. The traceability of the DSLC is determined by consideration about consumption with regard to algorithm efficiency, which emphasizes the significance of data-inspired design. Readers have access to all the information covered in this article. The major contribution of the document, we have provided a theoretical and operational structure to direct the DSLC. However, there still may unresolved issues. Further than studying findings in the study, our earlier works basics PSC analysis to be expanded in several versions of single area issue and tested in practice, especially through the other scientists. Yeah, that is the section 1. Coming to the section 2, the paper is not so easy to understand at a time because it has a lot of sub-conceptual topics that are important. Yeah, coming to the section 2, the paper is not so easy to understand at a time because it has a lot of subconscious topics that are important to get knowledge, and also it contains a relation between all of them unknowingly. Yes, author elaborated very well regarding to the topic what he want to discuss in documentation. The main reason to publish the accepted because in-depth concept of vertical data science and links of data collection, DSLC, data analysis, testing, and prediction evaluation metric, computability, data modeling, inference of neuroscience and biology, recommendation system for scientific hypothesis generation. The strength of the paper is mainly the future concepts that are reliable, accurate according to the records. Yes, I understood the design of the research. It is well matching concepts to research design. The way explanation is very approachable for the future purpose. Mainly, the line of approaching solutions for the problem or difficulties very good. Definitely, other have used it to his full efforts for making such good documentation, so detailed explanation. The references and gatherings that he studied is good. Also, information provided in the document. In some aspects, the paper can be improved in the future. The concepts like data modeling and testing condition of data can be improved. I think some more better conditions will develop for PCS principles. I think, yes, you can continue to the other subjects of research also in future. I have learned many concepts from this documentation. Mainly, I can say that PCS and its stabilization algorithm, generative models, connections among the PCS principles, interference. I don't have much idea on this concept before learning this documentation. I want to know some more detailed explanation on PCS and data perturbation. And this is the section 2. And I have two questions coming to the section 3. What is the main concept of data and model algorithm perturbations? In data, perturbations affects the model perturbation and stability evaluation metric. And thank you. This is my understanding for this article, Merdic analysis, data science. Yeah.